So these are what my locks look like 3 months in. They have definitely gotten way more like pliable, I should say, over the last 3 months. When I first got them, like, people said they would be stiff. They weren't as stiff as I thought they. And I think I retwisted this side a totally different way than this side, but it's fine. So yeah, and I feel like the locks, they have definitely changed. Like, they don't look exactly the same as when I first got them. So yeah, they're definitely like more full. Maybe that's the word I'm looking for. As my hair is growing out, I think I do have some budding. I mean, I've never had locks before, but I think I do from what I've seen on the internet about what budding is. And my hair definitely has grown. My hair, I feel like, grows slow, but I don't know. My sister told me that it was gonna be on one once I got my locks. It was gonna definitely be growing, because of course, you know, you're not much, so you're keeping that hair. But yeah, before, this is where I have some lint, and that was like up here and that was down here. So I mean, I don't know, but I still love my hair so much, and I do not regret getting extensions. If you want to get extensions or Insta locks, go ahead, do it, because you won't regret it. I mean, if you do, just take them out, it's fine. But I love my hair, like, I really do. I love it so much. Highly recommend.